Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool midsole here, and pretty much what this is a waterproof shoe. And if you guys remember in the past I reviewed a few other shoes from this brand before. I do have a few of them with me right now, so I'm actually show you guys what it looks like. So right here I do have the Everyday 2.0. So this is actually a very nice sneaker or shoe to just wear around casually that's fully waterproof. As long as it does not go above this part right here, then you should be fine. And when you guys do wear these shoes, it's actually very comfortable as well. But you can see this is what the bottom part looks like for this one. The reason why I want to show you the bottom part of this one and the other one as well is because I want to show you the difference between this versus the new one. The new one I'm about to show you guys with the Stormburst is supposed to have a lot more traction on the bottom. So that I can use it as an outdoor boot that give you guys a lot more traction when you guys are walking outdoor, which is really nice. Next up right here we do have the Weekend Chelsea. So this one's the Chelsea boot style. So all you need to do is just put it on, and they do have a little tab for you to pull it. So that one wear it really easily, which I'll show you in a second. But same thing for this shoe, when you do wear it, it's fully waterproof as well. And when you guys do wear it, it's actually very comfortable, just like the other one as well. And when you guys do look at the bottom part, this is what the bottom part looks like. So for this one, they also have a very nice traction on the bottom as well, to prevent yourself from falling or slipping when you guys do wear it. Like I mentioned, for the new one right here with the Stormburst, they do have a lot more traction on there. But same thing for all the shoes, the reason why it's fully waterproof is because of the material they use on here, which is called the Dyma-tex waterproof technology. And same thing for all the shoes, it is breathable as well. So if you guys do sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. And also another thing that's actually really cool about all the shoes is the fact that they do use vegan material. So those are two shoes that I want to show you guys that I have in hand with me right now. There's a lot of other ones I reviewed as well, so feel free to go check out those videos if you guys are interested. But now I'm actually open a new one right here with the Stormburst to show you guys what it looks like. So let's do open it. Once you guys open it, this is what the inside looks like. So we do have something right here, and we do have the shoe. Let's take it all out. So it says, welcome to the dry sock club, because your socks will not get wet and your feet will not get wet as well. But if you guys do open it, inside they do give you guys a little thank you card, and they also provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to maintain the product and how to clean it. And right here they do tell you guys the material that they use on here in terms of benefit, etc. So it is 100% waterproof. It has a rugged outsole. There's a lot more coverage on here, which I'll show you in a second. And just like what I mentioned earlier, it does use vegan material, which is pretty cool. And that is everything that's inside this little envelope. Now to show you the actual shoe. So once you guys do take it out, here is what the shoe looks like. So then both of them are the same. I'm just showing you guys what one side looks like. So once you guys do take it out, here is what the boot looks like. So this one right here is called a Stormburst. If you can see the way how they design it, it's like an outdoor boot or a hiking boot. And the cool thing about the boot is that when you guys do feel it, it's not that heavy compared to normal outdoor boots, which is pretty awesome. So this is what the boot looks like on this side. Here's the front. Here's this side. Here's the back. So it does say Vessi on here. And they do have the little tab for you to pull up when you guys do wear it, which I'll show you in a second. And then right here we do have the top part. So you can see the way how they designed this part right here is a little bit different than the Chelsea style boot. It is a little bit stretchy as well. But it does give you guys that all-around coverage on here when you guys do wear it, to prevent any water from getting in, which is pretty nice. And in this part right here, you do have the option to tie the shoelace. And then here is what the bottom part looks like. So you can see the way how to design the bottom part, like I mentioned, is actually a lot more rugged and provide you guys a lot more traction when you guys do use it. So whether if you guys use it for physical activity or hiking or just casually, you don't have to worry about slipping on here when you guys do use it, especially when it does rain. But same thing for this boot when you guys do wear it. Even though it does look like a knit material, the actual boot itself is fully waterproof, which is pretty awesome. And when you guys look at the side of the actual boot, it actually has a lot of support on here as well. So that way when you guys do walk a lot on here, you guys will feel really comfortable. And when you guys do feel the inside, even before you guys do put it on, you do have a very nice support on there when you guys do wear it. And if you guys notice for this part right here, the way how to design it is a little bit different than the other sneakers that I showed you before. This part right here is actually a lot more durable, especially since they do have the little toe cap right here to protect your toe when you guys do kick it or something. And supposedly the material that's inside, they mentioned how it does have a TPU leather to keep you guys warmer when you guys do wear it, which is even more awesome. Another little detail right here, if you see they do have a reflection option. So one this side and one right here. So that way when you guys are walking at nighttime or something, people can see you. I believe they also have it right here in the back as well. So that is everything that's on the shoe. Let me actually go put this on to show you guys what it looks like first. And we'll do a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not the actual shoe is waterproof or water resistant. Alright, so right here we do have all three of the shoes that I just showed you guys. So this one here is the Everyday 2.0. Here we do have the Chelsea boot. And then here we do have the Stormburst. So let me actually put on each one of them to show you guys what it looks like before I do the waterproof test with this one. If you guys want to see the waterproof test for these, feel free to go check out the other video that I did before. But now let's put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So let's do put it on. You guys can use the tab in the back to wear it. So once you guys put it on, here's what it actually looks like for this one. So literally once you guys do put it on, it feels really nice and really comfortable and really warm because of the material that's on here. And by material, I mean the Dyma-tex waterproof technology material, which is really nice. So here's one something that's like an everyday sneaker design. This one's actually pretty nice. Now I'm gonna show you the Chelsea boot. So for this one's much easier for you to wear it because you do have the little tab to pull it up. So just like this. Pull the tab. Same thing for our side. Pull the tab. And that is what the product looks like when you guys do put it on. You can see how it give you guys a pretty good coverage from top to bottom on here. So that way there's less of a chance for water getting inside, which is really nice. So this one's more like a boot style if you guys prefer this instead. Now I'll show you the last one. So for this one, you probably have to tie the shoelace since it is brand new. But I should put it on first to show you guys what it looks like. So let's try to slide it in. Once you guys put it on, you can see how it's kind of fitted, which is really nice. If you guys do tie it. This is what the product looks like. Let's do the same thing for our side. So let's do put it on. Use a little tab in the back. And slide this back out. And then tie it. And one thing I do want to mention about the laces that's on here, it feels a lot more high quality than these as well. But once you guys do put it on, this is what the product looks like. So literally once we do put it on, it feels really nice. It feels really warm and comfortable just like the other ones as well. But I do have to say that when you guys wear this one, it is a little bit heavier than the other one because of the way how to design it and also different material that's on here. And the other thing that I noticed once I do put it on, it does have a very nice material on the bottom to prevent it from moving around or slipping when you guys do wear it. You can see it has a very good grip on the bottom. So if you guys do walk around, or if you guys want to jump up and down, it actually has a lot of cushion and support on here when you guys do wear it, which is really nice. And the other thing that's actually really cool about all these shoes is that once you guys do tie it, if you guys take it out, you guys can keep it as is. And when you're ready to use it again, just slide it in and pull the tab in the back. Just like that to wear it, which is really easy and very convenient, especially if you guys are in a rush. But here is what it looks like for this one. Now I'm actually going to do the waterproof test to show you guys whether or not it's actually waterproof or water resistant. Alright, so right here I do have my shoe, and here we do have a tub of water. If you guys put the whole shoe inside, let's see whether or not it's actually waterproof. So I can see when you guys put the shoe inside, it is waterproof. None of the water got inside. Like my hand is still dry. And when you guys put it on top like this, you can see how it does float. Usually if you guys put other shoe, it wouldn't float. It would just fall down and just submerge into the water. Even when you guys push it down, it pops back up. And you guys can see how all the water slides off really easily. So the shoe itself is fully waterproof and none of the water can get inside, which is really nice. And since the shoe itself is waterproof, it makes it a lot easier for you to clean it if you guys do need to, which is pretty nice. So that's a quick little test to show you guys the shoe is waterproof, if you can see. Welcome back guys. So nice so quick test of the product, definitely see it does work and it works quite well. If you see how when you guys test out the product, it is fully waterproof. And I love the way how they designed the boot for the top part when you guys do put it on. It's like an easy slip-on design because of that knit material on top. Very similar to the Chelsea style, but this one's a little bit more fitted. But when you guys do wear the boot, it actually feels really comfortable and you do get a lot of support like I mentioned. So whether if you guys want to use it casually for physical activity or anything else, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's working on. So for this new shoe or new boot, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality waterproof boot that is used for hiking or something that gives you guys a lot more support for physical activity, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.